Hello and welcome back to another channel or episode of Heavy Darth. For those of you that don't know my real name, my real name is Johnny. Some people at work call me Tsunami after the movie. There's no relation. I don't look like the guy. Anyways, today I'm cooking some chicken, more chicken. For this recipe here, it's pretty easy. It looks pretty good. I like the way it looks like it's turning out here. Cut the chicken first. So when you get the chicken in the package, like breast fillet or chicken breast or chicken thighs, you cut them up into little pieces like this. And then what you want to do is add some more olive oil or, once again, you know, I'm using this stuff like I did in my last video. Okay, there we go. Bertolli's extra virgin olive oil, rich taste. Pretty good stuff. Drizzle that on the raw chicken real quick. Then I used, of course, my combination of cracked pepper and kosher salt. A little bit of paprika and some chili powder. And when I threw it in here, I tossed in the middle here a spoonful of minced garlic to give it some more flavor in the chicken here. Now, you want to cook the chicken till it's nice and golden brown. You don't want to you want to get it to where it has like nice burn marks kind of on all sides of the chicken, but a nice golden brown is what you're looking for. But yeah, so this is dinner tonight. Pretty easy. Just throw in the pan here with a little bit of oil in there. Let it cook. Let it do its thing. I'm doing it about medium-high kind of heat, so it's cooking good and thorough. You want to do that for a little while. In the meantime, if you have a rice cooker, I highly recommend that you invest in a rice cooker. It'll save you lots of time cooking rice. Right now, the rice is cooked. Look at that. Ooh. Nice and steamy. Okay. And, yeah, so that's what's for dinner tonight. I'm going to serve it with some soy sauce, perhaps. My kids like butter in their rice. Don't ask me why. I think that's their mother's side. I've never heard of that until I got to until they were born. Anyways, so I don't even know what I would call this. This is similar to stir-fried chicken, I guess, so I would call this like a stir-fry because I'm stirring it and frying it, so I guess this is technically stir-fried chicken. But yeah, anyone that wants to try it, go ahead. It's great, easy to cook. I highly recommend it. Stole some ideas from Sam the Cooking Guy. But yeah, if you watch that channel, or you can check this one out, Sam the Cooking Guy. Good channel. But this is my own spin on what he did. I mean, food is food, you know. So, anyways, guys, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below the video. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe already. And once again, if you could give us a like, click the bell, and I hope you guys have a good night. And tomorrow's Friday, so thank God for that. Peace out.